Hi, right, I'm going to talk you through the process of changing over the shopping basket on the Duett 3 pushchair. I've got my new shopping basket here. I'm just going to put that to one side for a second to show you how to remove the old one. It's a relatively simple process. All you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, just to undo six screws in total, but I'll just talk you through everything. So the first thing we need to do is just remove these, or undo these straps at the side. They just unloop over. Pull out. There's one exactly the same on the other side. And then the back part of the shopping basket under a little bit of Velcro there, and then there's two other small loops. Just over the back. Move that out of the way. The front part, so there is two Velcro loops on the top here, which you can undo now if you want to, or undo those later. And then we've got the six screws to undo. This is much easier if you turn the chassis upside down, just so you can get access to them. Move the basket out of the way. For now. And you'll see there's three screws on either side. There's three screws on this side, and there's exactly the same on the other side. So just undo those with a Phillips screwdriver. One side. And we'll turn the screws the right way, of course. Backwards. That's it fully released now. It'll totally come away. You will need to, from your old basket, inside where it's connected where the three screws are, there's a length of plastic in each side. You will need to keep those and use them with your new basket. So take those ones out, put them there. Put the old basket to one side. So now we're pretty much going to do exactly the same thing but in reverse. Put the basket upside down so you've got it in the right position. Right, that way around. So we've got flats the same as they were before. Insert one of the lengths of plastic into the end. Now you'll notice there's no screw holes actually in the fabric, but it's quite easy for the screws to go straight through. You just feel where the holes are in the plastic, just press it slightly, and then when you take that up to make the screw hole, do that for the other two screws on that side. See what that hole is. It'll look like it from physically looking at it as well. Not sure whether thread these or double this, cross thread these. Same for the other side. Must have been. There. Much easier if you do this the right way around. I'm just sort of doing back to front just so I can show you on the video, so I won't struggle in all the way. I've got that in position. Take the basket back through. We've got on in the right positions. So back part of the basket goes over the same bar that has the cable running through it. You cover it over the cable and then you just press the two pieces and I'll put that together. Hold that in place. I'll turn it back up so the right way up. See what we're doing. The last two little bits. And you've got one of these loops. Out goes. And this muffle there. I'll go close on that side. And the same on this side. Keep through. Velcro presses that side. And then we've got these two little loops again, just so you can get it on the camera so you can see it. So just to show you on this one, it's exactly the same on the other side. So this piece of length of fabric goes through the bottom loop, bottom of the loop, and through the top of the loop, through, and then to keep it in place, it goes back through the bottom of the loop there. Okay, hope that explains everything. That's as simple as that. Thank you.